Limiting beliefs may create barriers to achieving your weight loss goals. These barriers often arise from past experiences with authority figures and the things that they said to you, which may have been disempowering, that become the writing on your walls. And you then inherited their limiting beliefs, which impact your ability to achieve your goals. Now we're going to use emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping to essentially erase the writing on your wall. And then we're going to combine EFT tapping with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, self-hypnosis, and visualization to write some new positive affirmations on your walls that are going to carry you forward toward achieving your goals. Important concept in the EFT literature is that of the tail ender, which is when you say a positive affirmation like I'm going to be healthy, wealthy, and wise, you listen carefully to what comes afterwards, and whatever the objection is, that's bullshit, that'll never happen. That then becomes the target of your tapping. And we want to tap away the tail ender so you just have a strong positive affirmation afterwards. So we're just going to start for the purpose of this video with just one short phrase as a target, which is, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. And then we're going to begin with a setup phrase, and by finding the sore spot on your below your collarbones. So find with your thumbs your collarbones and go down onto your ribs, and in between the ribs there'll be an achy spot where you're just going to mash there and take whichever side hurts the most, and just say, even though I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals, I deeply and completely accept myself. 2 more times. Even though I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals, I deeply, completely accept myself. Even though I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals, I deeply, completely accept myself. Now take a deep breath in and out of your favorite color. So your favorite color, soothing color, empowering color, and then whatever limiting belief color you're going to let go of. Breathe out. We're just going to start tapping on the eyebrow point with second, third fingers, and just say, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Side of your eye, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Under your eye, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Under your nose, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. On your chin, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. On your collarbone, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Under your arm, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Below your breast, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Top of your head, I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Deep breath in and out again with the same colors. Now we're going to switch to the next step on the other side, which I call the offline step. We're going to go a little deeper into all these limiting beliefs. So I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Inside your eye, I had authority figures tell me I would never be good enough. And I believe that. I know that I'm going to sabotage myself, and I'm never going to achieve my goals. Collarbone, there'll always be some excuse, and I can hear that their voices in my head telling me I'm going to fail, and it's very disempowering, but I can still see their words written on the walls, and I'm afraid for that reason I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. So deep breath in and out again, and then we're going to switch hands, and now we're going to go to the neutralize step and go back and forth and just positive, negative, play along, see what happens. So I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. Side of your eye, I'm erasing those limiting beliefs right now, but they're very strongly worded on my board. I can see them. Well, it's time to let them go. But they've had a hold on me for so long. Think of what it'll feel like if you erase them. But I'm not even sure I would know what to write up there instead. Well, we're going to create some positive affirmations for that purpose. And then we're going to be curious to see how well this works. Deep breath in and out again. And switch hands. Now we're going to put in some positive programs and start writing some new affirmations. So I want emotional freedom now. I'm eager to achieve my weight loss goals. I'm letting go of all those limiting beliefs. I'm creating some new ones, and they're going to be empowering, and I know I'm good enough to achieve these goals. It's just a matter of time, and I will be persistent, and I will have fun doing this. A deep breath in and out. And now just keep breathing in and out. Favorite color in and out. Favorite color in and out. And wash all those limiting beliefs out of your body, down your legs, into the ground. When you feel your favorite color coming down your arms and your hands, shake your hands down by your side. Let it go down on your feet. Stomp your feet with your toes like you're hitting the reset button on your body. Yeah. And then just keep the breathing process and the shaking process until you've shaken out everything you want to shake out. And then let yourself settle down, scan your body. Is there any place the limiting beliefs are stuck? And if so, just breathe your favorite color down into those areas, wash them clean down into the earth. Then go to a healing place out in nature somewhere where you can do some more work on your beliefs. So we're going to be there with all of our senses. So what you're smelling, hearing, feeling. And then while you're there, imagine looking down at your feet, and on the ground, you can find a healing object, which you just pick up in your hand and hold it. It's going to be a magic recycling tool, allow you to take any limiting belief out of your body, put it in that object, and then release it back to the earth any way you want. Then invite your spiritual healing guide in to give you some more advice on how to accomplish this. And usually, one of three options: an angel, a spirit animal, or a wise ancestor from the other side. And ask them for some advice on how to move forward with some positive affirmations. Listen carefully to whatever they have to offer. And then we're going to go back in a time machine into the past and think of a coach or a mentor or a parent, someone who said some positive things to you that were empowering, and just tap in to, even if it only happened on rare occasions, just go tap into that experience and see yourself with that person, hearing some positive affirmations, and assign a color to that feeling. And as if someone took a picture of that, put a picture frame around it with that color, breathe that color into your body, put that picture frame up on your wall so you can tap into those positive affirmations anytime you need to. Now you get to go in your time machine and become a Hollywood scriptwriter and rewrite some of those limiting beliefs by erasing that writing on your wall. Any voices that stand out in your head as disempowering, negative comments from the past, see yourself erasing those from your board, and then write up some new ones about beliefs that you really would prefer to have there. They're going to carry you forward. So delete anything you need to get rid of and put in some new affirmations that you can create yourself from your wise self where you are now. So just create those positive affirmations that are going to carry you forward. And when you've done that to your satisfaction, then fast forward into the future in your time machine, see yourself achieving your goals. And you can put losing so many pounds in so many months, whatever you feel is a reasonable goal to have. And then listen carefully. Are there any objections as to why that's not going to happen? Whatever those negative thought patterns might still be lingering around. And then see what happens if you remove those and just have a powerful affirmation about what you want in the future. And that would be free of tail enders. So see that yourself using those affirmations in the future and achieving your goals and progressing toward your ideal weight. And then notice what it would feel like to achieve those goals and assign a color to that feeling and put it in a picture frame around that picture of your future self at your approaching your ideal weight. Breathe that color into your body, let it go wherever it needs to go. And then put that picture up on the wall next to the one from the past, where you've been and where you're going. And then we're going to just have you stretch and come back, bring those feelings back with you. And then we're just going to do the self-hypnosis method one more time with 3 steps. So we're going to have you squeeze your thumb and finger together, open your eyes wide, take a deep breath, hold it, and then when you're ready, release the hand, close your eyes, blow the breath out, and go into that future picture frame, seeing yourself succeeding, achieving your goals. And you can use this technique to get back there anytime you want. Anytime a limiting belief comes up, use this 3-step technique to get into that future self. And when you're ready, just bring that back with you. Stretch your back, open your eyes, and just going to say that phrase one more time. I'm afraid I'll never achieve my weight loss goals. And then think of positive affirmations that you're going to be using to carry you forward. Notice if there are any objections, and you can go back and work on this. Anytime an objection comes up, you can do it you can do the whole tapping process over again, or you can just do the quick projecting yourself into that future frame. And persistence will pay off in the long run, and you can have fun doing it. So that completes this 3-step series on EFT for weight loss. And please feel free to share them with your friends and use them over and over again until you achieve your goals. And if you're interested in individual coaching with me or some of my workshops, just go to larryburk.com. And there are also my blogs there and other videos. So thanks for tapping with me, and I look forward to hearing about how you've achieved your goals. Have fun with it.